All right, so this was going on. As y'all can see, it's showing the ABS sign, brake sensor alert. I don't know what's going on. Well, I do know what's going on now, but when it first happened, I didn't know. Then it said something about hill assist, no traction control. Well, I guess this is the traction control off. Then they'll show something. They'll say like no hill assist. I'm gonna have to see if I can catch it. But what's going on is I gotta get some stuff fixed on the rear end, and it's riding terrible. I'm talking about it's riding terrible. But man, y'all stay tuned, because I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know what has changed and what needs improvement. So y'all stay tuned. I don't know what's wrong with this damn car, man, but I was over the other day. I'm gonna see what this spot all about. StangHi. There's Tropicana on in here. Seen some cool shit over here, so I think they pretty much can get it where I need to go. Man, and that's the intake too, the filter.
Well, yeah. Well, look when I tried to blow it out. Look what it did on my garbage can.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah. So I had to take off. I just gave it to you so that we had it.
Man, you showed me the dyno and everything.
Yeah. So this is the dyno. Pretty much shop's climate control. So right now with air conditioning, I'm doing some work on the vehicle, so I'm not gonna dyno anything right now because you lose air conditioning obviously whenever you're doing that. Back the vehicle on, put it up in the air, strap it.
That's a diesel that you finna put up there, huh?
That's just my daily driver, but like I said, I don't do any diesel tuning or anything with the dyno and that. This is strictly just gas vehicles, cars, and trucks.
Man, this is what we going. This the goal to get here.
Oh yeah. We do side-by-side tuning as well, like
Okay.
Can-Am, Polaris, Honda, stuff like that. But most of the late model Ford vehicles.
That's a cool piece
Ford
of paint you got over
F-150s
there.
and stuff.
All Fords. So you like the EcoBoost? You mess with the EcoBoost?
Yeah, we do EcoBoost programming, tuning all the way up to the 25 models, even like they do Explorer STs. But
That's something I respect. I respect the EcoBoost. I done seen some. I was out there, Holly Springs, out there by Memphis.
Yeah.
And man, I seen some people with some EcoBoost out there that was running some very impressive numbers.
The setup is an awesome platform. I mean, it's they can compete with some of the V8 supercharged, like the really bad, race applications. But for just a daily driver that you use for towing, and for EcoBoost is a fun platform. I mean, hell, the Raptors had them in them for years and years. We still do a lot of those for customers.
I think a lot of people sleep on the power deck. Like I never paid it no mind.
No.
I never paid no mind, but then when I was out there and I seen them, I was like, wow.
Yeah.
Man, so that's one of your toys as well?
Yeah, that's my side-by-side.
What that is right there, man.
It's just a Razor Pro R. It's
Okay.
got the 4-cylinder motor in it. This one's making about 275 horsepower.
That's a lot of power.
Got tuning, clutching, just an exhaust.
And you say you tune those as well?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So, a person gonna ask, man, like, where do they begin? Like, you want to do upgrades it before you do the tune, like for my car, right?
Yep.
What would you recommend the route, like somebody that want to ease into it? Because, like, I'm telling you, like, I've never been into it.
I've got a couple of things. I make it pretty easy on the website. We've got different stage packages for it.
Okay.
But if someone's like got a 2015 and later Mustang, doesn't have to be brand. It could be a used one that's completely stock. And I would recommend premium fuel no matter what, which you should be running in any of these vehicles. We do our cold air intake and programming and engine transmission tuning. 50 to 100 more horsepower depending on the application. We've got suspension, exhaust. You can do all that stuff and transform the whole car into a completely personalized fun car.
Yes.
It ends up saving you a little bit of money instead of trying to buy a bunch of stuff that people on the internet tells you to buy that
Because I was
doesn't
thinking
work,
a 2018 intake.
So So that's that's like our stage 3 package for the Mustangs.
Stage 3.
Like your stage 1 kit that I'd recommend for yours when the time comes is to do one of our performance cold air intakes and do programming and tuning. You've already got plugs, it's already been serviced, so we literally leave all that just like it is and we do our programming and tuning. That'll bump your car up to right at 500 horsepower at the motor. That's not to the rear wheels. I don't quote at the rear wheels because every car dyno is a little bit different.
Yeah.
But we'll normally see somewhere close to 50 tire over stock with this intake and tuning. Then that next level, we change that intake manifold package. You can do different injectors, do flex fuel E85 or something, and that can give you anywhere from 530 to 550 horsepower. But that's all without ever cracking the motor completely open or deleting. People who delete cats and stuff, I mean, I know a lot of people still do it. None of the stuff that we do does that. We do everything emissions legal that you can drive it, get emissions testing done, and they'll still outperform the cars with no cats. So,
Man, y'all hearing that, man. Y'all hearing it.
cool.
Man, I'm looking forward to coming back and getting y'all some more content. He just Man, y'all see what's going on over here, man. Just getting all the fleet together. Then I'm over here, I'm pulling out my little toys, and then my neighbor, he pulled out his big RV. That's how you crush shit right there with his dually truck with the big 2-car trailer. That's just a normal day for him, and this is a normal day for me. There's levels to it, but we coming. So, didn't get all the toys in this video because I got a lot of stuff that's still not running, but we working, man. About to go ahead and paint these hinges. That's what's about to happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint these hinges. They already prepped up and everything. I got wrapped the Monte Carlo back up. Yep, everything ready to rock and roll. I don't know, I probably have to move these hinges though. I might just be able to spray them right here though. I just don't want it too close to my Monte Carlo. So what I might do is just go ahead and put them over here. And that way it won't interfere with nothing. So let me figure it out where I'm gonna put them at and wrap up the Monte Carlo. And yeah, man, but I'm definitely inspired by that right there, man. Yeah, that's it. With that, oh man, I'll be killing it. There's levels to it though, yes sir. Got everything outside, man. Everything need to be washed. That's the only one I'm washing today. That's it. Just that one. Maybe this one. I might watch these two. I'm not sure. Yeah, got the whole squad out there, man. Got the whole up and running, everything up and running. Just right here between these four. So that's just how that go. Yeah, here listen to them oldies. And when with them hinges up, man. Are they perfect? Not at all. Nothing ever paints perfect, but this good enough. It's like it didn't matter how much I try to get them hinges wet and the inside, it is what it is, man. But it's the right color. Might come back and just spray a click over the top of them, hell. On some just because type shit, but I did that single stage. We see how that go. All right. On to the fun stuff, man. About to load them two and move them two. So that's how this finna go. So, yep. This is how you end the day, man. Wet hinges. Oh, and y'all ain't see it. Oh. Wet hinges. For that Camaro I've been working on. Don't ask me how many times it took or what I did to do it, but it's done. Probably got runs in it because I overdone it. I overdid that. You know what I mean? Got the truck in here with the Banshee on the back. Found out this thing battery dead. And I still gotta go get the pulley for that. But today, it's a wrap at the shop. Finna jump in Mr. Tropicana and get up out of here. I think that's a job well done. I vacuumed out her insides on that Mustang, and I'm about to what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wash it. So, yes sir.